Good morning, children. How are you? I hope all of you must be fit and fine. So, today we are going to start a new chapter in your maths, that is factorization. So, we are going to start factorization today. So, factorization means what? Simply finding the factors. Like, if I'll ask you what are the factors of 16? So, 16 we can write 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. 2 into 2 4, 4 into 2 8, 8 into 2 16. In the same way, if I'll ask you what are the factors, factorize 16x square. So, in the same way, 2 into 2 4 into 2 8 into 2 16 into x into x will get x square. So, this is the factorization of 16x square. If I'll ask you find the factorization of 8x square yz, then 8 we can write 2 into 2 4, 4 into 2 8, then x square we can write x into x square, then y into z. Okay. Now, if I'll ask you 2a plus 6b, find the factorize 2a plus 6b. So, 2a we can write as 2 into a and 6b we can write as 6 into b. So, 2a, now you can see here the 6 we can write as 2 into 3 and b we can write, and 2a 2 into a. Now, in both these 2 here also and here also we are getting 2. Okay. So, this 2 we can take as common. So, we have taken here common 2. This 2 is multiplied here a. So, we can write as 2a plus this 2 we have taken here common. So, we will write here this 3b part is left. So, we have written here 3b. Got it? Actually, you must be thinking why it is written earlier. Once again there was a technical fault. Okay, and almost 3 to 4 questions of your exercise already I have discussed, and again some technical error happened, and those 15-20 minutes video was wasted. So, it is earlier, it is written earlier. Okay. So, once again I have to do for you. Okay, anyways, let's begin. So, come to the exercise. Exercise question number 12x plus 15. Okay, 12x plus 15. So, how we can factorize 12x plus 15? So, if I'll write 12x plus 15. Now, you have to see in the table highest common factor HCF you have to take. HCF of which number? HCF of the numbers 12 and 15. What will be the HCF? HCF means the factors of 15 and 12 which is highest, means common factor among the common factor which will be highest, means 15 and 12. What will be the common factor? 1 will be there, then 3 will be there. Okay. So, among 1 and 3 which one is the highest? 3. So, simply just you have to remember one thing, that if you will get numbers 12 and 15 is there, then which number comes in the table of both? 15 and 12 comes in which numbers table? 3. So, we will take 3 as common. Okay. Now, 3 in 3 what will multiply to get 12? 4, and this x is there. So, we will write here x. Now, here plus sign is there. So, we will write here plus. Now, 15 in 3 what will multiply to get 15? 5. So, we will write here 5. So, this is the factorization of 12x plus 15. If you will multiply, then you will get the same thing. If you will multiply this part 3 into 4x, how much you will get? 12x. 3 into 4, 12, and x 12x. Again this 3 into 5 if you will multiply, then you will get 3 into 5 how much? 15. So, you will get plus 15. Okay. So, after factorization, if you will multiply again, then you will get the same thing which was the question. Okay. So for just for understanding purpose I am telling this one. So this is your factorization, 3 into 4x plus 5. Come to another question, that is question number 2, 14m minus 21. So your question is 14m minus 21. Now 14m minus 21. So this 14 and 21, is there any number in which that numbers table we get both 14 and 21, or simply the common factor of 21 and 14? Which number? 7. So we have taken 7 common. Now in 7 what will multiply to get 14? 2. So 2 we have written here, and this m will write as it is. Now minus sign is there, so we will write here minus. Then 7 into how much will get 21? 3. So we will write here 3. So this is the factorization of this part. Okay. Come to another question. Another question, this one, 9n into 9n minus 12n square. So 9n minus 12n square. Okay, 12n square. Now just look at here, 9 and 12. So which number we should take? In which numbers table we get both 9 and 12? In the table of 3. So we will take 3 as common. Now 3 into how much will multiply to get 9? 3 into 3 will get 9, and this n is being multiplied, so we will write here. Okay. So 3 into 3n will get this 9n. Now here minus sign is there, so we will put here minus sign. Now this 3 will multiply how much to get 12? We have to multiply 4, so we will write here 4. Now this n square, we have taken n square. Okay. But you can see here that n and n we are getting in both n square and n. So one n we can take outside. This n, 3 is already out. Now this n will take here, so here only 3 will left, and here minus 4 n will left. Okay. So no need to do 2 steps, you can do it in only 1 step. Okay. So once again from beginning I am telling you, 9n square. What is the question? 9n minus 12n square. Okay. Now this 9 and 12, first of all you have to see the number. So 9 and 12, what will take common? 3. Okay. Then this n and here n square, in both the terms n is present, so n we can take n, so 3n we have taken common. Now in 3n what will multiply to get 9n? 3n into 3 will multiply, will get 9n. Now here minus sign is there, so we will put here minus. Okay. Then 3n into how much will get? To get, first of all see the number you see 3 and 12. In 3 how much will multiply to get 12? 4. So we will write here 4. In n how much will multiply to get n square? N into n only we get n square. So this n already we have taken here, so only one n is left, so this n will write here. Okay. So this is the factorization of 12n and 9n minus 12n square. Okay. Come to other question. You can see here one good question we should take. This question you see, question number, this 3 or 4th part, question number 3. 18 a cube b cube 27 is a square b cube and a cube b square. Okay. So we'll see this question. Okay children, so you can see this is your question. 18 a cube b cube minus 27 a square b cube plus 36 a cube b square. Okay. Now first of all focus on the number. First of all focus on the number 18, 27 and 36. So is there any number which in that numbers table we get all three 18, 27 and 36. Which number is there? 3 is there. Then any larger number than 3? 9 is there. In the table of 9 we get 18, then 27 also and 36 also. So we'll take 9 will take here common. So 9 we are taking common. Okay. Now a cube, you can see here a cube, a to the power 3 is there, a to the power 2 is there and a cube is there. Okay. So always will take common as the lowest power term. Okay. So lowest power term is what? A square. So we'll take here a square. Okay. Now in b cube, here b cube is there, here b cube is there and here b square is there. So smaller power term is b square. So we'll take b square here common. Okay. Always take smaller power term. Now first of all you can see here this one 9. So in 9 what will multiply to get 18? We have to multiply 2. 9 to the 18. Okay. Now a square and here a cube is there. So in a square what will multiply to get a cube? So what we have to do? 1 more a we have to multiply, then only we will get a cube. So a square already we have taken outside. So what will multiply to get a cube? Just 1a we have to multiply. Okay. So 9a square into 2, 18 a cube. Now here b square already taken and here it is b cube. So in b square what will multiply? B, then only we will get b cube. Okay. So b square, this b square already it is outside the bracket. So what we have to take here? B. Now just you multiply all this. 9a square b square into 2ab. You will get this part 18 a cube b cube. Okay. Now come to the second part. This part is done. Now come to the second part. Now in this 9, in this 9 and here 27 is there. So 9 into how much will multiply? So that will get 27 into 3. Minus is there, so I have taken minus. So 9 into 3 will get 27. Now a square is already taken. Here a square is there and outside the bracket a square is there. So in a square what we will multiply to get a square? Nothing, or simply we can say 1. No need to write 1. Okay. A square into 1. Into 1 no need to write here. Into 1 no need to write into 1 because 3 into 1 3 only will get. So why to write 1? Okay. So a square is already taken. Now here b cube is there. You can see here b cube is there and b square is already taken outside. So what will take here? B square is taken, so we'll take here b. Okay. So we'll get here how much? 3b. You can multiply and see 9a square b square into 3b. 9 into 3 you will get 27 and a square you will get here a square only, then b square into b you will get b cube. Are we getting the same thing? this part are we getting or not? Yes. So this much we have taken. Got it? Now come to the third part. Third part, what is given? 9. Now this one 36a, first of all see the number. Here 36 is there and outside 9 is there. So how much we have to take? Here plus is there, first of all write plus. Then 9, 4 is a 36, so we'll write here 4. Okay. Then a square and a cube is there. So a square into a will get a cube. Okay. Then b square is already taken. B square into 1 will get b square. So into 1 no need to write. So this much will get. Got it? If you'll separately, you'll multiply this part and this part, you'll get this part. Again 9a square b square you will multiply with minus 3b, you will get the second part. Again 9a square b square you will multiply with 4a, you will get this 36a cube b square. Okay. So this is your factorization of this much part. Got it? So if you have done well in class 7, then you must be understanding. So I hope this is clear to you. Okay. So try to solve the questions of your exercise, and few more questions from this exercise we will discuss in the next class. Okay. So have a nice day. Thank you.